good pla time ken, good pla morning ogeta ning do mi saya. Now me like story lik and lo mi bin brukim lo 3 months go finish. Now 9 November 2020. So inside lo this pla time mi bin line some lesson when me like sharing one time mi pla before me raus im displacement or cast la hand do me. First la anger management. So mi paini mo sem anger management and by saving you time, money na plenty at pet. Close to 1,000 kina mi spending lo time lo straightim sla hand do mi. If mi no been broken this plan, mi no na spending this plan and make money. Number 2 mi line him privileges. Mi right hand, mi sa use him right hand lo mi ta so time mi broke him right hand lo mi come to realize him that some of privileges when me plus have taken for granted. So me got him hand, me got him leg, me got him eye, me got him mouse. Sometimes I no got him display. So me come to realize him was sometimes me plus have taken something for granted that me plan not have use him good until that opportunity is taken away from us. Like for example, time me broke him right hand do me realize him was me had the right hand now me have to use him left hand do me. Number 3 point rise above na overcome. Me come to find him was how about me use him left hand do me because me right hand left hand and by me had. But me talking more right me no na blare display situation abrusi me. So in fact performance do me improve. Time me come to realize him was right hand do me on the opportunity where me can use him na working good or something me know use him good. So performance do me increase na overall output do me to increase. Time me come to realize him privileges that am taken away from me, like right hand do me supposed to use him good, me no use him good. So lo this plus side no me come to realize him that me have to rise above na overcoming this situation. So me start right to left hand do me. For 3 months now lo starting me right to sem kukaron no nambis, but now me can right good straight one time left hand blow me. So now me can use him left hand and me can use him right hand blow me one time blow right. So this is the situation even though I'm not good blow me, but at the end me looking at myself work out good blow me because me now me able to right left and right hand one time. Number 1, managing anger or anger management and by saving you time at pen na saving you plenty money too. Number 2, time opportunity stop no can lare more slip away make use of this opportunity. Na number 3, time you facing on the challenge, rise above the display challenge, overcome him, na move forward. No can lare this situation overcoming you. Thank you.